y'all, welcome to 107. We're getting closer. Getting closer. Okay. Area of, oh, give me a break. This is more complex, fun shapes. Okay. Make sure that's in there. Makes a big difference. Okay. All right. We're going to do area of this figure. Now, we've done rectangles before, right? How do you find the area of a rectangle if it's like, 5 by 10? 50, obviously, right? How about if you do a triangle? Remember the area of a triangle? Let's say it's also 5. Let's make this 8. Well, it would be 40, 5 times 8, if it were a rectangle like this, but it's not. That is to say, it ain't. It's exactly half of that, right? So you can take 5, and you can look at the other number and go, I'm going to take half of that. That's 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So, or you could just do 5 times 8 is 40, chop that in half, 20. Okay, because you're going to have shapes we're going to do that'll combine rectangles and triangles in this lesson. Okay, so let's find the area of this figure. What we can do is we can chop this into pieces and make it into 2 rectangles. Because look at this. If you were to say, oh, I got it, it's going to be 6 times 7. Oh, that's 42. Yeah, I got it, 42. Well, no, it's not 42 because you have this chunk over here that's like chopped out of there. Then you can't count that as 42. That there is, let's say you're painting the room. It's not going to be, you don't paint that part. It's gone. So you're going to take that away. So either you can add this rectangle to there. In other words, you can either add this rectangle here, the area, and then make it into this, or add it to that rectangle area. Or you can do the entire thing and then subtract this area. Or I did, vertical lines. What you could do is you could go, I'm going to do these 2 rectangles right here. Whatever it is, make it easy on yourself. Okay. So let's actually do, I don't know, let's just do it the way it is. Okay. So I have 3, this one right here, let's do first. 3 across, and have to go, oh wait, what is this right here? Oh, we don't know, do we? Well, if this is 6 from here to here, and this is 4 from here to here, well, obviously that A has to be 2, right? So 3 times 2 is going to be 6. That's that part right there. This part right here, we know is 4. That's good. And this is 7, right? So that's 28 right there. So 28 plus 6 is 34, right? That's one way of doing this. The other way, let's just check this. If you were to do it this way and go, okay, I'm going to do it this way. Well, that's fine. Just do this one first, and then let's do that one. Well, we know 3 times 6 is 18. That's part of it, okay? We know that this is 4 here. The only problem is, what is this right here? Well, we can look at this and go, the whole thing here is 7. Let's see here. This is going to be, that's 3 right there. So from here to here must be 7 minus 3 or 4. So 4 times 4, which is this part right here, that's 16. Well, 18 plus 16 is 34. There you go. Same thing, right? Okay. Here's another way. Look at this very quickly. You could go, oh, look, it's 7 times 6 is the whole thing right there. Okay, I got it, 42. Of course, you're not allowed to count this part though, right? Okay, you can't count that. So what we need to do is figure out what this rectangle is right there and subtract it from 42. Well, this is 6 here. This is 4 there. So this part right here must be 2. We already figured out this is 7 all the way. That's 3 all the way. So this part here must be 4. Well, if this is 4 by 2, this part's 8, right? 42 minus 8. You want to take a wild guess about what? Yeah, okay, yeah, 34. Okay. Anyway, one of those ways is completely fine. I find the easiest way and do it that way. So, okay, all right. Give your 2 practice problems a whirl. Ooh, look at there, triangle. Now, how do you think you're going to have to cut that piece on the right before you figure out the area? Okay, do it. All right, pause it and try it. Okay, I don't know. I'm just going to go up and down of this, and there we go. Okay, well, I'm going to find this one, and I'm going to find that one. Okay, well, that's easy. I got 8 by 4. It's perfect. Okay, so that's 32 over here. Over here, I know that's 3. The only problem is, what is it from here to here? Like right there. Well, the whole shebang right there is 10. This part here is 4. So this part here must be 6, right? So I've got a 3 and a 6 right there. It's going to be 18 plus 32 is 50. All right, let me just try one more, just in case you did it a different way. All right, let's say you did it this way. Yep, there we go. Well, this is 10 by 3, right? That's 30 right there. Now all we got to do is find this one. Well, we already know this thing is 4 right there. Okay, well, let's look at this, okay? The whole thing here is 8. We got to find this, which means you're going to have to subtract this part right there. Well, 8 minus 3 will be 5. So this right here will be 4 times 5, which is 20. We already figured out that one's 30. If this is 20, 50 total. There we go. Okay, now this is a little more interesting. What I would do is just drop right down, like make it a little right angle triangle there, okay? Then you have a shape here, and you have a shape here. And you got it. Well, that's a piece of cake. 10 over there. 10 times 6 is 60. That's your rectangle, all right? This one you got to figure out. What's the size of that triangle? Oh, well, we already know this thing is 6 centimeters high right there, right? Because it matches. The only problem is, what is it from here to here? Well, look at the top, that's 10. The whole thing's 14. This must be 4. Okay, we got it. And don't forget, you don't just do 6 times 4. Okay, you do 6 times 4 divided by 2 and add that to the 60. So 60 plus something. Either you can go, okay, half of 6 is 3. 3 times 4, that's 12. Or you could go 6. I'm just going to take half of 4. That's 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Oh, I got it. 72. Boom. There you go. Okay. All right. You guys have a great day. See you next time. Work on getting about 25 right if you possibly can, okay? Take it easy.